Hello guys, this is Stagro Farms. Welcome you to Stagro Farms. Okay, today we're going to be doing some transplanting. There are some suckers that we're going to be transplanting to the main field to a different position. Suckers like this one, we're going to be detaching the sucker from the mother plant so we can actually plant separately to another farm. Let me also show you another sucker which we're going to be detaching as well. We're going to be detaching this one and transplant. Likewise, this. We're going to also detach this sucker from the mother plant and actually plant in a separate field. I don't know about this one. This is also the one we're going to be detaching as well. So the reason why we're detaching these ones at the early stage, in as much as we want our plant, we want our farm to actually run on one or two suckers per mother plant. What I mean is that, just for example, if you look at this mother plant, for example, you see that two suckers are emerging. Two different suckers are emerging. So we're going to leave one sucker to the mother plant. We're going to leave one sucker to the mother plant. But here, in as much as we will have one sucker here, we want to detach this now at the early stage and allow a different sucker to emerge before we are going to allow both of them to grow together. Likewise, this one, we're going to detach this from the mother plant and allow the mother plant to actually produce another sucker that will actually grow and replace the mother plant when the mother plant is actually cut off from the field. So after desuckering, what you're going to do is to actually cover the mother plant. But why do you cover? To actually prevent diseases and germs from attacking the mother plant from this place. So you cover very well. You cover. We're going to actually detach the sucker from the mother plant as well. So look closely, you will see, make sure that your shovel or your spade or whatever you're trying to desuck the sucker with is actually lying. Mind the way you place your shovel so you don't give injury to the mother plant. In as much as you're giving injury already by desuckering, but you have to be careful. Remember to cover. Always remember to cover. Cover.